Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with PayPal. First of all you have to do is open your Shopify store and log in with your admin credentials. Once you're logged in, you have to click on the settings on the bottom left corner. Once you click on settings, a new page will open. From here, you have to select payments. On this page, you have to find the option called additional payment methods. On this section, you will be able to see PayPal as a payment provider, and you have to make sure that your Shopify address must be based inside USA. If you're not using Shopify inside the USA or United States, then this option will not be showing to you. So you have to make sure to change your address to USA or in the country where PayPal payment is supported. Once you've done that, all you have to do is click on Activate PayPal. And after that, Shopify will redirect you to the PayPal servers from where you have to give some information about yourself, your email, your confirmation, some security questions. And after that, it will show you a message. Thanks for signing up. Now you have an account and you have successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. After doing all of these steps, let's confirm if it's working or not. I will go back to the payment section of Shopify. From here, now as you can see, my PayPal status is now active. And that's how you can connect Shopify with PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.